Okay, everyone. So this is my YouTube. A lot of people are like, what happens if someone steals your content? If somebody steals it and uploads it to YouTube first, I don't know what happens there. Most likely you don't own it at that point. You kind of just own it in the back. So you need to change the file name, edit it a little bit. So it's a little bit different than what they stole from you. That's basically all I can tell you there. But if you do have content and you uploaded it first, I have a lot of dash cams. I got a lot of different stuff on here. A lot of the stuff is actually borrowed from friends. I pay them off. I own the stuff. But you're going to want to click on Manage Videos once you're on here, or click on the drop down on the right and go down to YouTube Studio. And I've been waiting a while for one of these to pop up again. You're going to want to go over here on the left and you'll see Copyright. Just click on that. It will come up, and if you have a match, it'll come up here. I have other removals. I had a lot on here. I don't know where they all went. Here's some that have been resolved. You can go under messages. I don't really message people. I only remove people that really tick me off. Optimize my PC. Under here is a bunch of ones I just said no, then people are alright, because I share a lot of my stuff with other people too. Stole 100% of my video. It'll tell you how much they stole. But we're going to go over this one. This is a dash cam video. Lady on phone cutting off people on the on-ramp. This is one of my dash cam videos. I'm going to show you in my dash cam videos that when you have my dash cam video, I don't even know how to get to this. Unboxings. I don't do this very often. Okay, let's go here, playlists. We're just going here because I want to show you. Okay. This is my playlist. We're going to put this back on copyright. My dash cam says use my clips with credits in the video, which means it needs to be in the bottom left, bottom right. A lot of people use it correctly. A lot of people don't. And this person will pop up here, shows 10% of the video. I'm going to first click on it and go watch the video. And I've already watched a little bit of it, as you can see here, and then I was like, hey, I'm going to make a video about this so people feel a little bit safer uploading their crap. Let's mute theirs. There's no credits anywhere through the whole video. I don't know if you can see on the little one. Oh, there's some. Yes, he spent some time. Shame on him, but I didn't get a message from this person. Didn't get nothing. He also sped it up a little bit. No credits anywhere. You gotta put credits in here. Credits almost do absolutely nothing, but no, I work hard for my videos. So there you go. You can either message the person, contact them, but they didn't send anything to me, so why should I send them a message? You can request video removal or move it to where you don't give a shit. I'm going to request a removal, and this gets all legal-like, and it even shows my, oh, that's my old address. Shows my old address. Add videos. It's going to remove that video match from 33. It has mine on there, blah, blah, blah. So we're going to go down, removal timing, request it right now. I have good faith that I use my material and managing legal agreements. And right there. And then you got to sign it saying that is your video. And it is. It came from my dash cam or one of my friends or somebody I bought a dash cam video off of. But I own it normally when I buy it. So then you just click submit. Relationship. I am the owner. Relationship to copyright. Owner. Then you click submit. Bam! Disappears. Okay, I'm going to go up here. I'm going to refresh the page under copyright. And it's right there, in progress, under review. Go down here. Still going to be there. That's what it looks like. What's funny is I'm from America. My videos come from America normally. That was cutting people off. Lady on phone cutting people off. Whatever it was. I can't keep up with all my videos. But he says it's scenic road trips, southeast, whatever that was, wasn't even in that country. Come on, clickbait, whatever. Nobody even knows what that is. But yeah, now it'll pop up in a few days saying resolved. Normally it gets removed. I even had one I accidentally did. He did put credits in there, but he did something that kind of ticked me off. So I sent him an email, and his message back I didn't quite appreciate it. So I removed it, and then afterwards he's like, "Oh, I'm sorry," and then whatever. I felt like taking it back, which I'll never do again. And I went under here, and it already had removed it. So I was like, you know what? Treat people nice, and it won't happen again. If you track a takedown, email, copyright. I won't do that because I don't want to have a strike on my account or something saying, oh, he messed up once, he'll mess up again in the future. Don't want that. So this one will stay here. Most likely it'll be pulled probably tomorrow. So within 24 hours it'll be pulled. It's really nice. So feel a little bit safer putting your content on here. It is safe as long as you upload it first. But if you're stealing it on here, you don't own it. Somebody else owns it. I'm just asking for permission. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Thanks.